What kind of results does the PRX system generate in the calendar year following an election? This is Bill Scheid from the Systems Lab, and that's the question we're going to answer in this video. With the US election right around the corner, it might be interesting to take a look at results during election years, but it's a bit late to take advantage of that information. So in this video, we're going to take a look at results in the first calendar year after US presidential elections. That will give us some information that could be potentially actionable. And for this analysis, we're going to look at both Bitcoin and Ethereum using data from Bitstamp. And the results that we're going to look at come from backtests generated by the PRX Crypto Strategy on TradingView. So we are going to look at results for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we're going to look at trading on 4 popular time frames. We have daily bars, we have 30-minute bars, we have 10-minute bars, and then we're also going to take a look at the PRX morning only system, which trades intraday for 2 hours per day during the US morning session. The maximum data available for ETH/USD is going to be the limit that we're going to use for our results. So that means we can take a look at results for the years 2021 and 2017. There is, of course, more historical data available for Bitcoin, but we'll look at just those 2 years for Bitcoin as well so that we can keep things apples to apples. So let's jump into it. Our results for Bitcoin on the daily charts for 21 and 17, we have a total of 25.3 R over 21 trades, which gives us an expectancy of 1.2. For me, personally, as a trader, I like to see an expectancy of 0.2 for any systems that I'm going to trade. So I really like to see 1.2. It's quite high. Now, if we wanted to have a greater number of trades, some more opportunity to trade, more expectunity, we could look at 30-minute bars, which is what we're going to take a look at now. This is a time frame that was popularized by one of our mentors, Dr. Ken Long, and the results are outstanding. For both years, we have a total of 186.9 R over 838 trades with an expectancy of 0.2. Now, if we wanted even more opportunity to trade, we could take a look at 10-minute bars. When we do that, we see that we have a total of 294 R for the 2 years, 2,358 trades with an expectancy of 0.1. Now, for me as a trader, when I see an expectancy of 0.1, especially if it's on a lower time frame, I am willing to be flexible and go below 0.2 because the high number of trades often makes a difference. So it's a lower expectancy but higher expectunity. Although if you're going to design a system with lower expectancy, you do want to keep in mind that you want to be able to overcome slippage and commissions. So you're going to want to make sure your expectancy is high enough to do that. Finally, let's take a look at the PRX morning only system. Again, that trades for 2 hours a day during the US morning session. We have a total of 60.2 R over 614 trades with an expectancy of 0.1. So we see here that for the last 2 elections, the calendar year following the election was quite profitable, regardless of our time frame here, daily, 30, 10, or the morning only system. So now let's jump over to Ethereum, and we'll start with daily bars. So for 2021 and 2017, we have a total of 4.53 R, 13 trades, and an expectancy of 0.3. So not quite the same results as Bitcoin, but still profitable. Let's take a look at 30 minutes. Here we have a total of 238 R over 761 trades with an expectancy of 0.3. So here we see that for 30-minute bars, the results for Ethereum are even better than the already excellent results from Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at 10-minute bars. We have a total of 578 R over 2,136 trades, again with an expectancy of 0.3. So once again, we see that Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin on this time frame. We have quite a steady expectancy between daily 30-minute and 10-minute bars. Let's take a look at the morning only system on Ethereum. Here we have a total of 49.7 R, 205 trades, and an expectancy of 0.2 R. Of course, we don't know what 2025 will bring, but it is quite encouraging to note that anyone who traded the PRX crypto system in the calendar years following the last two elections had some very profitable results. This is Bill Scheid from the Systems Lab. Thanks for watching and happy trading.